Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in a series. Well, a follow-up on those two Lionel tenders that I added the searchlights to. As you see, they're both on the rail, they're both lit. This runs really, really well, so I just wanted to do a quick video so you could see these. As you see, that works really well. Now that slope back tender is powered by two C-cell flashlight batteries, so that's going to last a long, long time. So it's a simple expedient for lighting rail cars, no doubt about that. These tenders look quite good, I think. It's simple and it's really, really cheap. Consider $1 a piece. So it works, it looks nice. It's going to last for months, very likely years. So I just want to do a quick video on this. It's really, really easy way to light rail cars of any kind. You could probably take these things apart and actually use them for lights in cabooses. They're actually quite bright. So I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.